Would you believe me if I told you that this is a builder grade mirror? This is a builder grade mirror. It's what you usually get if you buy a house and don't do any customization. And the hack that I've seen lots of times is just to put trim around the mirror, frame it in, and you can just glue it straight on, and it's super easy, and then you get a custom looking mirror. But what I wanted to do was not just give me a custom built mirror, but also put in some extra shelving, because you see there's no drawers in this bathroom. Or rather, very few drawers. There are 2 drawers, but not enough for me and my kids. So I searched for a long time, and I found this shelving unit at Hobby Lobby, and it's connected at the top here, and then I also glued it to the mirror for a little bit more extra strength. And while you can't see this in this photo, the mirror is behind the shelf. You can see the mirror in the shelf. I also had to rewire the top so I could have 2 separate lights. And that's an idea if you need more shelving and want a more custom look without getting rid of the mirror. Follow for more.